If you have been waiting for your renders to finish just to see how the glow looks in post, you are doing it the hard way. Glared2 is a real-time light effects powerhouse that lives directly inside Blender's real-time compositor. It doesn't just add a simple blur, it uses the actual luminance of your scene to drive dynamic, responsive lens effects. We're talking about high-end bloom, anamorphic streaks, multi-reflection ghosts, and even lens dirt. Because it works in screen space, the effects react instantly as you move your camera or adjust your lights in the viewport. Version 2 is a massive update. You can now export every light effect pass separately as an EXR. This means you can get that perfect look in the viewport and still have total control later in DaVinci Resolve or After Effects. It is incredibly intuitive. No node knowledge required. All the controls are right there in your UI panel, and every single one of them is keyframeable for cinematic shots. If you are watching on YouTube, the link is in the description. If you are on our website, click the buy button to give your renders that professional wow factor instantly.